Prior to you throwing yourself rashly into the marketing activities that will take over much of your time as an affiliate, it's vital that you select a great product to market. Not all products with affiliate programs make you any money, and even the greatest marketing efforts may be wasted if the program isn't attractive to customers or doesn't pay out a great commission. While you may discover a profitable market first and then locate affiliate programs inside that market, it's actually a lot faster to do just the opposite. In this video, we'll cover how to do this. Don't forget to select products or services that you feel comfortable with and know something about, as this will give you an air of being an expert as you write about them, and individuals will be able to relate with you, and you may establish more secure relationship with your buyers or list. Don't fail under the trap of attempting to fool the public with products that you don't know about, or doesn't deliver what it promises, or you'll find your believability failing and you'll lose your following quickly. Ask yourself, what do you know about the business marketing the product? Why, recognizing what sort and brands that are utilized may better help to sell if the brand name is well known. You don't have to have all your affiliate products in well-known brands. However, a few well-targeted products may be handy to help attract attention to your site. If you sell more than one product on your site, this might catch individuals' attention for additional items. Do your research about the affiliate company and figure out how they pay. Do they pay instantly or rotating payment? Determine that they have good sales results and conversions. At JVZoo, you can check the marketplace for top sellers and featured product. At Warrior Plus, you can check WSO of the day. At DigiResults, check Marketplace and you can see how many copies of product have been sold. As well, look for testimonials for others who are affiliates at these companies. Don't look simply at the testimonials on the affiliate site, which were selected because they're positive. Also, look online for individuals who have had negative experiences. Now you have the starting points to choose a product to promote. Next, we will cover how to get approved as an affiliate if you are just starting out with zero stats.